Filipino teacher salary in Thailand. What's up mga kanaisers? Today I will be sharing to you about the salary range of teachers dito sa Thailand. How much do Filipino teachers earn in general dito sa Thailand? Ang i-share ko sa inyo today ay ang mga common lang na nakikita ko sa job post. Hindi ito ibig sabihin na ganito lang ang salary range ng mga teachers na pumupunta dito sa Thailand para magturo. Kahit na sabihin kong ang range ay within this amount, there are also exceptions kasi merong mga job posts or merong mga teachers na they can earn higher depende sa experience and depende sa degree nila. Sa totoo lang, walang standard salary ang mga Pinoy teachers dito sa Thailand. Some earn more, some earn less. Depende yan sa kung anong contract ang tatanggapin ninyo. There are some works na mataas ang sahod kahit na konti ang responsibilities at meron namang work na maliit ang sahod kahit na masyadong maraming responsibilities. It's up to you kung anong contract ang tatanggapin nyo at kung ano ang napagkasunduan nyo ng employer. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, I will tell you the job and the salary range starting now. Teaching assistants or assistant teachers, 18,000 to 30,000 Thai baht starting salary. Next one, English teachers, starting salary is 21,000 up to 35,000 baht. Next, subject teachers. These are the teachers na nagtuturo ng science, math, arts, music, and even PE, ICT, and more. Starting salary is 25,000 to 40,000 Thai baht. Next, nanny tutors, 25,000 up to 30,000 Thai baht starting salary. Nursery teachers and kindergarten teachers, starting salary 22,000 up to 35,000 baht. Next, shadow teachers, 12,000 up to 25,000 Thai baht starting salary. University teachers, starting salary 30,000 up to 40,000 Thai baht. School principal, vice principal, or department head, starting salary could be 40,000 baht up to 50,000 Thai baht. So far, ito lang ang mga jobs na alam kong related sa teaching or pagiging teacher. And this is for full-time work. May iba pang possibilities pero ito lang yung may teaching involved talaga. As I said, this is just a general list. So if meron kayong makita mga job openings na mas mataas pa dito, then try. Why not, diba? For Filipinos, iba ang starting range natin sa starting range ng mga foreigners or native English speakers. The most obvious reason is because hindi native English speakers ang mga Filipino. But we are more in demand in fields of science and math dito sa Thailand. If makakita kayo ng opening na may mas mataas na starting salary range compared sa sinabi ko, then that's good. Try to apply and who knows, kayo ang matanggap doon. And as I mentioned earlier, this is for full-time work. May mga part-time works na hourly ang bayad, meron ding daily, meron ding weekly, pero ito is for monthly salary range only. And I encourage you this, do not take any jobs na below 25,000 ang sahod. I know I gave an example na merong 18,000 or maybe 12,000 na starting salary range, pero I do not encourage anyone to take those kinds of jobs, especially if you are a licensed teacher sa Philippines. And also, another reminder, if merong nag-offer sa iyo ng job at nagsasabing kailangan mong magbayad ng placement fee or reservation fee, please be aware na walang ganyan dito sa Thailand and it's most likely a scam. I'm not saying lahat ay scam, pero I'm 99% positive na ang nagpapabayad ng placement fee or reservation fee is a scam. Walang ganyan dito sa Bangkok, so speaking from experience, do not do it. So yun lang mga kanaisers. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I will answer them. I'll make more videos about teaching in Thailand next time, but itong salary range muna for this video. See you guys next time. Peace!